Returning to wealthy coins, howdy everyone. This month, Amazon transformed Shiba Inu into a $2 behemoth. Findings from SHEB. Today's news: investors were anticipating a correction before a rally, but the price of Shiba Inu has been on a downward trend for the past 2 weeks. The meme coin, however, appears to be heading in the direction of disappointing its holders according to a vital sign. Here we'll go into how Amazon made Shiba Inu a $2 behemoth last month. SHEB updates. If you want to see more videos like this one where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. With a price of $0.0000168, the Shiba Inu has not been able to break out of the downturn it has been in since March. Meme coins returned to the charts following a test of resistance at the 100-day exponential moving average is when the downtrend line was initially formed. While this was going on, the relative strength index was also heading upwards. The indicator has been developing an uptrend line as it has been rising from the oversold zone under 30.0 and is now approaching the neutral line at 50.0. There may be a hidden bearish divergence forming when we combine the price action with the movement of the RSI. The following few trading sessions may see a drop in the Shiba Inu price if this trend persists. This would cause the meme coin's price to plummet to $0.0000979 USD, its 2-month low, breaking through the key support level. If this support is lost, the cryptocurrency would continue to fall and might reach its lowest point in December 2022, marking a 25% crash. Investors that acquired over 40 billion SHEB tokens in a single week will suffer enormous losses as a result of this. Over $475.5 million worth of tokens have been removed from exchanges, indicating a decrease in supply. In most cases, a decrease in the supply indicates that there is a trend toward short-term accumulation. One possible explanation for this drop is that SHEB holders are transferring their tokens to a cold wallet rather than keeping them on exchanges. Since no one observed such a decline even after FTX's collapse 4 months ago, the likelihood of the same is low. The network experienced its worst losses since June 2021 earlier this week, thus the move by Shiba Inu owners is unexpected. Even though on-chain indicates significant losses, the total value of the coins that were moved reflected losses of almost $575 million SHEB, or less than $62,000. Therefore, SHEB investors will contribute even more to the network-wide losses if the bearish divergence materializes and the price of Shiba Inu drops to its December 2022 lows. Quick and cheap transactions are the goals of the Shiba Inu protocol according to its developers. The protocol is a Layer 2 scaling solution. According to newly released public documents, Shibarium aims to accomplish real decentralization by developing a protocol that levies negligible or no transaction fees at all. The beta version of the protocol was released earlier this month. Satoshi Kusama, primary creator of the Shiba Inu, has stated that any projects developed on the Layer 2 protocol will have minimal transfer costs offered by Shibarium. He has also noted that the goal is to conduct transactions in seconds for less than cents. Shibarium aims to become a safe, transparent, and scalable blockchain that serves as a foundation for establishing new enterprises. It is touted as the blockchain of the people. Digital asset production and trading are made secure and transparent by the blockchain. It also provides a foundation for other decentralized applications dApps that are being built by members of the Shiba Inu community, such as SHEB, the metaverse shib.io, Shiba Eternity, and many more. Additional information about the burning mechanism of Shibarium can be found in the publicly available documentation. After a certain quantity of bone Shiba swap has been accumulated, the burn process will activate, according to the document. On Shibarium, this token will pay for gas. The validator receives the priority fee and the base fee is locked on a Shibarium contract when a user executes a transaction on the network. We will burn 70% of this base charge and put aside 30% to sustain the network. Users can initiate the burn process from Shibarium once they have gathered $25,000 worth of bone in the burned contract. The Shiba Inu has seen a small decrease in value during the last 24 hours, trading at $0.000011. On a day when the market as a whole has done very little movement, the price of Shiba Inus has fallen 0.5% in the last 24 hours, falling to $0.00001054 USD. From a low of $0.00000973 30 days ago, its current price is 8% higher. At the same time, the meme token has seen a remarkable 30% increase since the beginning of the year. The Shibarium Layer 2 network's beta launch was completed earlier this month, and SHIB is expected to continue growing in the weeks ahead, especially with the L2's full public launch. The 30-day moving average and relative strength index of SHIB have both fallen precipitously in the past few days, suggesting that the stock may start surging again shortly. Earlier this month, it hit oversold levels with an RSI of 30, but it has since climbed to 40. Similarly, the altcoin's 30-day average is about to dip below its 200-day average, which means it's almost time for a rebound. In the previous 2 weeks, SHIB has failed multiple times to break through $0.00011, a critical barrier level. The likelihood of further increases if it can successfully traverse this stage, even if SHIB will likely necessitate a broader market rebound at the same time. Still, the Layer 2 network's complete public launch, along with Shibarium's continuing expansion, it's now live in beta, might lead to additional gains for the token in the near future. Shibarium has two main reasons to be bullish: one is economic and the other is technical. To start, Shiba Inu's capacity will increase and transaction fees will decrease thanks to the Layer 2 network, which will also improve decentralization and security. Second, the burn rate for Shiba Inus will increase with the launch of the L2, as 70% of the base transaction fee will be destroyed. Basically, the supply of SHIB will be reduced due to Shibarium, which will increase relative demand and the price of the currency. An increase in burns and a favorable effect on the price of SHIB will result from the increased number of users drawn to the Shiba Inu ecosystem and its applications by Shibarium's efficiency advantages, amplifying this effect. Consequently, the release of SHIB, the metaverse, will likely contribute to a slow but steady increase in the price of SHIB over the year. The latter is an online Shiba Inu community with 100,595 NFT-based territories and a plethora of in-game goods for sale, exploration, and trade. On its official website, the platform is portrayed as the future of gaming and the entertainment industry, showcasing the ambitious objectives of its developers. It may signal a huge surge in demand for SHIB, which, when combined with Shibarium, might go through the gears and reach new heights. In fact, SHIB is expected to reach $0.00015 and $0.0002 USD by the end of 2023 just due to Shibarium, and it may even reach $0.00005 USD or perhaps $0.001 USD by the time SHIB enters the metaverse. Reports indicate that the internet giant is preparing to debut its new effort next month.